Hello and welcome to Quix Pro tutorial. Today I will show you the gallery element. It's a really cool element, and using this you can store multiple images in your gallery. You can also view them full screen, like so. Let's see how we can use such an element. Scroll up and click on the plus icon and search for gallery. Click on gallery. As you can see, there are 4 items. Click on item 1. Edit the title and click here to select an image from the library. Add alter text from here and caption from here. Click on item 2 and select image as before. Item 3 and select the image as before. And click on item 4 and do the same thing. Select an image. Scroll down and click on the plus icon to add a new item. Click here to copy and here to delete an item. Scroll down to columns and select your standard grid. And as you can see, there is many choices available. Set the number of columns here. You can increase or decrease. Set your gallery alignment to however you like it. Now click on filter panel and enable filter navigation. So scroll up, click on item 1 and edit your tag. Go to item number 2 and edit your tag. Item number 3 and do the same thing. Scroll down. This is the label for filter all. You can enable or disable show filter all. You can edit label for filter all to whatever you like. For example, show. Edit default filter from here. And filter alignment can be set from here. Now click on the Lightbox panel. You can enable or disable the Lightbox gallery. If it's enabled, you can view the images in full screen, and if it's disabled, nothing appears. Change Lightbox style. And you can also enable or disable show caption in Lightbox. Click on image panel, set image adjustment and also image position. Now scroll up, click on image panel and increase or decrease image width. You can also increase or decrease image height. Click over here to adjust the height for different devices, as in the smartphone or the tablet or monitor. Scroll down and select border type. Set the border radius from here and also add box shadow. Now let's set the hover style. Click on it and set the border type, border radius, add box shadow and manage transition. Click apply when you're happy with the changes. That's it for the gallery element. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video.
Create explainer video at affordable cost. Contact Wevive today.